Hi everyone, it's Evelyn here, and today I'm straightening my hair with the Drybar Tress press. I bought this from Ulta back in August. This device was about 50% off at the time. It cost $165. So in addition of me getting it for 50% off, I also used my points, which made the total of this device $58 and some change. That's pretty good. What you'll see in this video is me taking my hair from a wet state to a dry state. So I will blow out my hair with the Drybar double shot, and then you'll see me straightening my hair with the Drybar Tress press. My hair has been freshly shampooed and conditioned. I don't have anything in my hair right now. My hair is, naked, as they say. The first thing that I'm going to do is apply a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I'm using is by Aveda, the Nutriplenish. This is also a heat protectant. It has heat protectant and it helps your hair to be protected from heat that can cause breakage. So that's what I'm using here. For my blow dryer, today I'm using the double shot. This is also by Drybar. I'm going to shake it up real good. I have not used this product, so it will be my very first time using it. It feels good. Okay, pretty good. It feels really smooth on the hair. Smells like your typical Aveda products, kind of herbally. Yeah, still smells pretty good. All right, so let's get to blow drying. It's on low heat. Okay, that's it. Next up, flat ironing. This is the Drybar flat iron. It's a titanium plated flat iron. So let's get this flat iron started. For heat protectant, I'm using the Hot Toddy from Drybar. It says before ironing. So this is it right here. Okay, here we go. That's 410 and it doesn't even feel that hot to me. So I'm thinking I might have to bump this up a little bit to like 420. Maybe I need to be doing the temperature for a thick coarse hair. So I'm gonna bump it up to 420. Yep, 420. Okay, we're up to 420 now. And that's as high as I'm going. There you go. There it is right there. It got it. I think this is pretty good. My hair feels lighter. So let's go to the other side here. Some more Hot Toddy here. Spray it pretty good. I comb it through because I want to distribute it through the hair. That's why I comb it through. I'm missing some hair. I'm gonna curl it too. See that? Look at that gray, y'all. That's kind of pretty. Just go very slowly and take the time to press the hair. See how that just drops down like that? I'm actually liking how it's looking so far. I like the way the flat iron is silking out the hair. Look at that. I'll just go slow. Make sure I press. I'm really doing one pass, y'all, and getting pretty good press. Unless I miss some here. See, I missed some right there. It's kind of hard to see and record and get in the camera like I should. Y'all know I wear glass. See how that drops? I like to use the spray because, well, it seems like it makes the hair less heavy. When I use like a serum or something heavier, it causes my hair to be way down. It won't flow like that. So that's why I do the spray. And I kind of missed some. It's kind of hard to see. This is how it looks. I got a little bevel here. Stand up so you can see the back. Okay. So I'm gonna go through and curl, bevel it fairly quickly, and that will be it. I'll come back and show you guys the finished results. All right, everybody, this is my hair. So let's check out the back. First of all, you guys should see that I have movement. It feels so silky and so smooth and so light. Look at that. Look at that. Had to get on my tippy toes because I don't know how well you guys could see it. I am ready for the holiday. This is my holiday hair. If you want to watch more videos, please feel free to click the videos on the end screen and I'll see you in the next video.